Yes, I'm going on another trip. Level8, which is a luggage company, reached out to me recently and asked me to try out some of their luggage. And they also have packing organizers. So let's look at what they've sent me. I have a 4-piece packing cube travel set. And all of these are in a really heavy material. This is a 2-tone polyester, and it fights mildew and repels water. What sets them a little different that I've never seen before is this little Velcro, little rubber, almost like a stamp or something that you can put on here. And they send you multiple little rubber stamps that have Velcro. Really pretty genius. I've never seen this before. I really like that. This is the Voyageur Carry-On 20-inch. This is the navy. But what's really unique about this piece of luggage is this trolley handle. Look at how wide this is. So now let's look inside. The zipper on both sides. So on this one, we unzip it, this mesh, and we have this open space to pack in. This trolley is on the ends. It's not down the middle, so that means on the inside you have a flat area to pack your stuff. Has a zipper area, but you also have this area that is for anything that's wet. And then we have the mesh area, another handle right here, and it has these little kind of feet on the bottom, but it also has those same little feet on this side. It is made out of German-made macaron polycarbonate. It is light yet durable. It has the TSA safety lock, so quiet 360 spinner. It has a micro diamond finish. You can kind of hear it there. Aluminum alloy telescopic handle. The zippered inside actually will help compress things. This is 8.1 pounds. 15.1 inches long by 9.8 inches wide by 21.3 inches high. So it is going to fit as a carry-on U.S. domestic flights. And we're going to test that and make sure. Here's the large one. It fits perfectly. We are ready for our adventure. This is the checked luggage. Same features, same wide telescopic handle. It's a little bigger because this is the 28-inch because it's a checked bag. It has a handle here. So you have a handle on the side, you have a handle on the top, and you have a handle in the middle. And open this side up. It has a shelf. You don't have to use it. You can fold it back. This is also flat. There's nothing there. When you come back from that trip, you need to store your luggage. It fits inside. Side of it, organizer. Now what is something that is a little different? The handle that we saw in the middle here, it does protrude into the middle of this. It has the zippered area that's waterproof, and it also has the mesh. We're going to take these 2 pieces of luggage on a trip. I'm going to Charleston. I'm going to take this. We're going to check it. I have a friend of mine going, and we're going to put some stuff in here, so we're going to check it. And then we're also going to use carry-on. And we're going to see how well it does, what it looks like after the airline has a hold of it, and we'll take you along as we go.
All packed up and ready to go. Off to the airport to check my bag. Let's see how much my bag weighs. 37 pounds. Off it goes. The carry-on actually fits into the TSA tray perfectly. Off to the plane. There's always a line waiting. Loading it up. This is a small plane, so it fits sideways. We're at Atlanta. Off to make our connection. Why do you always land at Concourse D and have to go to Concourse B? You're never in the same concourse. Baggage train. Heading to our plane for Charleston. This is a much bigger plane. We made it. We've landed in Charleston. Let's head to baggage claim and see what we get. Here it comes. It looks good. So we got to our bed breakfast in Charleston. And now we're heading home. This time we're going to check both bags. So the big one is now 46 pounds. It got a little heavier. And the small one is 24. But we didn't weigh it before, so I'm not sure how much it weighed before. We'll see them when we get home. We've landed at our final destination, and here comes our bags. There's the big one. Looks like it's a little scuffed on the back, but not bad. And the little one looks fine. Now we go home.
Hello, I'm back from Charleston and I'm ready to give you my feedback on Level 8 luggage. So I have the carry-on 20-inch and the checked luggage, which was 28 inches. What are the pros and cons of these luggage pieces? One pro is how lightweight they are. It is so easy. These wheels, these spinner 360 wheels, make maneuvering on carpet, on tile. This wide telescopic handle was a definite must. I had to get my hands on it and try it out, and it was everything that I thought it was going to be. So I love how wide it was. You could actually put two hands on it if you needed to at any time. And it was just so easy to maneuver. I also liked, because of those telescopic handles that were so wide, that the bottom was flat. I felt like it was extremely durable. I mean, this checked piece of luggage, the 28, has a couple of little things on it. Nothing major at all. So I think it's very durable. Another thing I loved about this was the fact that it had the handle in the middle. So this was so easy to just grab it. Now, some of these things that I'm talking about can be pros and cons, so we're going to talk about those in just a few minutes. Another pro that could also possibly be a con is how much they can actually hold. So this is 99 liters. Another thing that I said even before we left was the fact that I could actually put this 20-inch into the 28-inch and store it. Okay, now let's talk about the cons. Now, I had mentioned that several of the pros can also be cons. One of those items is the fact that these are so big. It is super easy to overpack. I recommend that you buy something to weigh your luggage before you leave, and I'll have a link down below. It is easy to go over 50 pounds. Another con is if you don't like hard-sided luggage. So if you want the ability to expand, which with luggage this big, I don't know if you're going to really need to expand, but you can't expand. A big con for me personally is neither one of these pieces of luggage had an area that you could hang a garment. The 28-inch, I talked about having a pro of having the center handle on the front. Makes it so easy to just grab it and pull it wherever you need it to go. But it has a con in that there is a slight protrusion on the inside. Not a big con at all, but it is something that I wanted to point out. Another con for me was when I travel, a lot of times I'm going to some place where I might not have the ability to open up the luggage completely in order to access the different sides of it. There are times when I'm in a small space, I might just want to open it halfway, or I could be actually living out my luggage during that time period. So with these pieces of luggage, because of where the zipper is in the middle, when you open it, you have to open it completely. So these are just my personal preferences. Final thoughts. Would I actually recommend this luggage to you? Yes, I would. I do want to disclose these pieces of luggage from Level 8 were gifted to me. When they gifted these to me, I have full
authority over the contents of this video. I do recommend this luggage if you are someone who likes hard-sided luggage and you can weigh your luggage before you go to the airport. You have to make the final decision yourself. You know what your preferences are. You know your likes and dislikes. And it's possible this luggage might work great on one trip, but it might not have all the features or all the things you need on another trip. So keep that in mind. If you're watching this video in November 2023 before Black Friday, I have a 20% off discount for you to use, and that is for anything that you purchase on the Level 8 website. If you go to the Level 8 website without using my link below, you will see that there is a 20% off code already, but that code is only for one item. My exclusive discount that gives you 20% is for all items in your cart that you purchase. If you are watching this video after November 2023, Black Friday, I have just a normal 10% discount code that my viewers are able to use. And it's Which Path Travel Log will get you 10%. There is also another link below that is for you to purchase the Level 8 luggage through Amazon if you so choose. Going through that link may not give you any discounts. So you won't have the 10% through my channel or that 20% Black Friday. But I wanted to give you the option to do some shopping around. You need to find the best deal for you. So I'll have both links below for you to try and see if you're interested and want to purchase. I also wanted to disclose that if you do purchase through either one of those links, I do earn a small commission, but it does not impact the price that you are paying at all. Have you ever used Level 8 luggage? Do you have a favorite luggage brand that you swear by? For more videos like this, along with travel guides and tips, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Safe travels!